Mary is a simple drink, but a Virgin Mary shouldn't just be tomato juice. So today we're going to make a slightly funkier Virgin Mary, and we're going to do it with pickle juice. So this is a simple one. We're just going to build it in the glass, and we will start. We will remember that we have to measure things, and we will start with 1 ounce of pickle juice. To which we will add a dash of green hot sauce. And we will realize we didn't open the Worcestershire Sauce, the black brown stuff. This isn't vegan, by the way. They actually ferment fish to make this. But, seafood goes in these things. Maybe not so much in the States, but the Canadian Caesar, they use clam juice in that. So, just a dash. Maybe that was 2 dashes. Doesn't have to be that precise. Now, we add ice. Mess. Everything quick stir. And then just top it up with the tomato juice. Another stir. And there we go. One slightly interesting, definitely not boring, Virgin Mary. Okay, this is really good. A little bit more pickle juice actually goes a long way. And just remember, not all pickle juice is created equal, so your mileage may vary based on what brand you buy, and it's not exactly a standardized product, unlike the pickles, but this is a really good cocktail, even if it has no alcohol. It's a nice morning mocktail.